Alright, here's a video about how to get into NoRedInk. So I have sent you an assignment in the Google Classroom, in your writing classroom. I'm going to go into my goof around class to give you an example. You're going to go into your classwork under writing. You're going to go to the assignment, NoRedInk, click on it. I like to view the assignment so I can mark it as done when I'm finished. And we're going to click on here to go to NoRedInk. Once you get here, if you haven't done this already, if you haven't signed up last week, then you are going to go to sign up as a student. And then you're going to enter the class code. The class code is in your email and that we sent earlier. So this is the class code that I'm using. This is not the class code for you. And you're going to hit continue, and then you're going to just sign in with Google. Click your name, and it's going to take you into this account. Once you're on this page, it will show you your assignments, and you come down here, click on the assignment, and it's going to take you to the assignment. The prompt says, write a paragraph that uses 4 sentence types. Your paragraph may need more than 4 sentences for it to make sense. So as many sentences as you need to write a sensible paragraph. When you're finished, you can hit submit writing. If you finish and you want to come back and fix it, you can click save and edit, and that way you can come back to it. If you hit submit, then you're done. You've submitted it to me. Thanks, everybody.